Well, hello everybody in Bowral and the Southern Highlands. We'd like to introduce a new product that we have available. It's called Lactezin, which is now available at the Amcal Bowral pharmacy. It's available behind the counter. It's particularly effective against acne, pimples, and also blackheads. We've introduced the product about 2 or 3 months ago, and it's becoming very popular. And it's effective against those people suffering with symptoms of acne. So come along here to the Amcal pharmacy and have a chat to the pharmacist, and he'll be able to help you with the product that's now available. All right. Hello, Ryan.
Hi. So tell me about Lactezin.
Well, Lactezin, it's a very interesting product. It's just recently been launched on the Australian market, but it has been a product that's been very effective and very successful in the Philippines, where it was first invented and developed over about a 10-year period. The product consists of lactoferrin, which is a very unique protein that is derived from bovine cow's milk, which acts as a chelating agent, so it binds up the iron in the gut, which makes the bacteria that presents itself as acne unavailable to the bacteria. So the chelating agent stops that bacteria from growing, so the acne doesn't present itself on the face. The other key ingredients are zinc, which is good for immunity, and also skin repair, and natural vitamin E, which of course is very effective for skin health as an antioxidant. So those are the three main products, and we've seen already here in Australia in a fairly short period of time some very good success with acne actually disappearing within about 2 to 3 weeks. So we generally find that as the acne preparations are available on the market are of limited value. They tend to treat the symptoms once it's presented rather than at the source. This being in a capsule, because it is a capsule, it's not a cream or a skin treatment, it is more effective. And we have done a lot of clinical studies to show that it works very well, and the studies that we have done have been published in the International Journal of Dermatology in 2017, and there's a lot of other clinical data that's available on lactoferrin as an ingredient for controlling acne. So there's a lot of documented evidence to show that it is effective. Lactoferrin has been around for decades. It comes from milk, and the lactoferrin that we use for Lactezin is produced here in Australia. In fact, the product that we sell into the Philippines with the United Laboratories is also made here and sent to the Philippines. So the company in the Philippines is United Laboratories. Their strategy was always to develop the product there, see how it went, and if it's successful, then introduce it into other international markets, which is what we're doing here. But we're making it here in Australia. It's made in Sydney under good GMP and TGA license regulations, and we're very confident that it's a success. So Ryan, when people come in with acne, what sort of things are they trying to achieve when they come and see you? Why do they come and see you? What are they hoping to get out of that consultation?
Majority of it's to get rid of acne, like your facial symptoms. It's more to just get rid of that oiliness, those pimples that are a bit more stubborn. That definitely has an impact on their normal life. You're not looking good, you're not feeling good, and that definitely affects your everyday. Mental health even. Well, right now, with everything else that's going on, that definitely adds up.
The stress can also cause acne. Even people wearing masks can cause problems with acne around their chin and facial area. In fact, that's interesting because in the Philippines they call that mask-knee.
And I've heard that term around.
And this product is Lactezin is very effective for mask-knee. But how do you find the success of other sort of acne type products? How do they work in comparison?
Majority of the products without a prescription, they just treat the actual symptoms. So they control your oil, the excess oil that you have. Usually
Yeah.
that causes majority of the acne
Mm-hmm.
symptoms.
Yeah.
But it doesn't treat the cause.
No.
So majority of the time it comes back, or they get stressed again at work, or
Yeah.
whatever they're
Yeah.
doing, then comes back, and then
Yeah.
it does lead to a little bit of resistance.
Yes.
So you find that the same products don't work, you have to try another
Yeah.
one,
Yeah.
another thing, and then
They get a bit fed up and
yeah, exactly.
yeah.
It all adds up.
But we find with Lactezin and with lactoferrin in particular, you're actually treating it at the source, which
Yep.
is in your stomach where the bacteria is growing. And as we said, the lactoferrin being a chelating agent binding up the iron, doesn't allow the bacteria to grow because the bioavailability of that iron is no longer available to the bacteria. So the bacteria just simply, it dies off. So we've seen results with Lactezin in about 2 to 3 weeks, but you see the best results after about 8 to 12 weeks. And then you continue using it just for maintenance.
Yep.
It's very important to continue doing that. If you stop using it, you'll find that the acne will come back.
Yeah.
It's a very safe product. Very safe.
It's a lot easier to take a tablet than doing a cream every day as well.
Well, that's right.
Yeah.
And often with the cream and facial preparations, you will have some scarring perhaps. You'll have some and you're treating the acne once it's appeared.
Yeah.
With Lactezin and the use of lactoferrin and the other key ingredients, zinc and also vitamin E, you're treating it at the source, and that's very important.
Yeah.
That you're solving it at the beginning, not at the end.
At the end, yeah, exactly.
That's an important factor.
Yep.
Yeah. Very good. Well, we hope this continues to go well here at Amcal in Bowral, and hoping that the people from Southern Highlands will be flocking in to see you to ask about this product, because we know it is a major problem with younger people. It's very it's unfortunate, but it's a fact of life. It does occur.
Yep.
But we feel that young people are very particular about their appearance, and particularly in Asia, it's interesting. If they've got one pimple, they feel very upset.
Yep.
Hopefully this will help a lot of customers and people suffering from the symptoms of acne. But I'm very pleased to see that Amcal here in the Southern Highlands, Bowral and Mossville, Milligong, Lactezin is available here. And come have a chat to the pharmacist and
Come have a chat.
tell you all about it. Yeah. Well, we hope that you found that session informative and useful. If you need any further information, please come down to Amcal Pharmacy in Bowral. Have a chat to the friendly staff and the pharmacists about any of your acne, pimples or blackhead concerns. And I know that they'll be very pleased to assist you with any information that you might need. You can also go on to www.lactezin.com.au where we have a lot of information, including some frequently asked questions, which will help you introduce you to the product in a little more detail. So thanks again, and come on down to Amcal Pharmacy in Bowral in the Southern Highlands, and discuss your needs with the staff here at Amcal.